Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to tan t, ds equal to secant of t squared dt. So we need to change the boundary. If s equals to number 1, so t should be b over 4. If s equals to the square root of number 3, so t should be about b over 3. So we put number 1 go in here. So we can use about r time of number 1 and r time of square root of number 3. You got about b over 4 and b over 3. So we put tan t in here and here. Number 1 we change for b over 4. The square root of number 3 we change for b over 3. ds we change for this one. This one we change for secant of t squared. The square root of secant of t squared, you got about secant of t. Next, this one multiply with this one. Now we need to change everything in here into 1 over cosine t to the power of 3. This one we change for sine t squared over cosine t squared. This one we simplify with cosine t squared. So this one multiply with 1 over sine t squared. About number 1, we change for cosine t squared plus sine t squared. Cosine t squared divide cosine t, sine t squared divide sine t squared, and we got about cosine t over sine t squared plus 1 over cosine t. And now we got the final answer. The integral of this one, you will got about negative 1 over sine t. This one we will change for secant of t, and you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we have the boundary in the both sides. So we put the number in here. and we got the final answer. And here is about the full result in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.